Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from the big show by Keystone in Texas. That's right. You know I love to take you to the shows with me. You get to see things I see, because this is not open to the public. This is only open to people like myself who own a business. But I'm letting you see all the new stuff yourself. So come over here. This is a buddy of mine. He works with Leer here, and he's going to tell you about some really cool products that just came out. So you ready for the mic?
You bet. Hi, Chris. C.W. Richardson with Pace Edwards. What we have here is our Ultra Groove series. It's our premium model. What it has a track system built into the inside. You can go back and add racks, bicycle racks, tents. You have several different racks to choose from. You have a low profile, there's a mid-range, overland rack, and we'll make a taller rack for ladders and all. Now the beauty about this model is, this model has an extra wide seal around the outside. What it does, because there's so many different contours of bed caps, when it gets warm, this rubber lays in and gives an extra seal. It also comes over the tailgate. It's got seals that sit on top of the tailgate all the way around. This model also, it has drain tubes at the rear as well as the front. So no matter which way the truck is canted, water can leave the vehicle. One of the nicest things about our model is, if you can fill up on the inside, the channel has about 1/8 of an inch drop. Water can't flow over to the inside. We've changed up the mounting hardware. This has leveling arms at the back. This keeps the rail level at all times. No matter what the weight put on, the rails are not going to bow in and cause the inoperable model. We've also just launched, at this big show, for our electric models, we have a Bluetooth application. Works right off your phone. You don't have to worry about losing a key fob. You can have the key fob, but this works. It's a very simple installation. If you have an existing bed locker, Chris can order the kit for you. You can install it right on your existing model. The reason we can do this, we have 2 pigtails that come off the canister. This one's for the power, and one's if you want to add an optional switch to the back or put one in the dash. So we could develop a small little control box. It just all ties right in. There's a free app. Push the button, close it, turn around, walk it off. And it'll operate from 50 to 75 foot away. So if it's raining outside, you need to get something, push the button, send your wife out to get stuff, let her get wet, and bring it back in the house. Very simple install. And we have several different racks. This is a 400-pound mid-rise platform rack. Driving down the road, it'll hold 400 pounds. Static sitting, the tent up, it'll hold 700 pounds, including the tent. We have a 200-pound bar, a 400-pound bar. We have a taller rack 200 and a taller rack 400 pounds. Multitude of stuff. Very simple to use. Powder-coated, black powder-coated finish. And Chris is one of our best sales companies. He will definitely take care of it. Thanks, Chris.
Thank you, CW. Hey, again, anything you see here like this wonderful, can I pull this bed slide out real quick? As you know, I love doing bed slides. And man, I love this. Now, if you notice, this does work with the canister with these extra add-ons here. All they do is move it up a little bit so it'll accommodate the canister. So just because you got a bed slide, you say, oh, I can't get these. You can. As you can see, it works just fine. And these things are wonderful. I just think this is a terrific product. As you know, you can get different weights. This is a 1,000-pound one. They go all the way up to, what, 2,500, I think?
Yeah, we have 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. We just launched a full extension in the 1,500 to 2,000. Comes all the way up to the end.
Actually, I've already got a video with that one.
Yes.
I did the full extension with the 1,500, and boy, that was great. So, I mean, again, I look at it, easy it is to use. So, as you know, I love playing with these things, and electric covers, man, are they convenient. And I'm a huge fan of the T-slot. I mean, this is the way it is. When you get this, boy, do you have everything you can think of. You can put, of course, you can use it for work. You put ladders on it. Of course, you can use it for fun. You put kayaks and camping stuff. And as you know, I'm the president of the South Florida Outdoor Adventure Club. And boy, this is stuff we love. We love this stuff. And when you get this covered with the T-slot, all this opens up to you. So again, it's a great setup. If you see this and you say, you know what, Chris, how do I get this? And I'm glad you asked. You can buy this from us. You can give me a call at the store. The phone number is at the bottom of the video. The address to the store, bottom of the video. Of course, if you live out of state and you say, you know what, can you just ship it to me? Well, the website's the bottom of the video, but you know what, call me. You know why? I like talking to my customers. I guess I'm a little old school, and the main reason is I want to make sure whatever you're getting fits your needs. And sometimes you think you're getting exactly what you need, it might be not perfect. I want to make it perfect for you. So keep that in mind. Again, this is Chris from C&H Auto Accessories. I'm at the big show by Keystone in Texas. And almost forget, like the video. That's right, hit that little like button and subscribe to the channel. Again, it's the CW and myself. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Appreciate you being here.